Monty Thompson with Movidmo. Today I'm going to show you how to create the video you just saw using our application. We provide templates, or you can start from scratch. For this, we'll start from scratch, and then we'll select a size. For our final video, you can choose from wide, square, or vertical, depending on your intended use or target for your video. For this, we'll choose wide. And we're going to select some content to add to our video, and we'll start with some color by adding a design filter here and choosing a color, and have it enter on the first frame and exit at the last frame or after the end of the video, which is going to be 9 seconds long. And then we're going to use no effect for that and no delay, and then we'll add. So now we have this pink background, and we're going to add some more content. We provide stock footage from Getty, Pixabay, or you can upload your own footage. And for the purpose of this, we're going to use some Getty footage and find an appropriate video for our staycation ad. And then we're going to crop it and try to use an interesting crop with this star, and then put a little border there to make it pop. Change the width here to make it a little bit wider, and then we'll remove any effects and set enter and exit frame so that it's always visible. We'll drag it into position, stretch to the desired size, and rotate slightly. And then we'll add some captions. Choose our colors. In this case, we're just going to use white with no background color and the bungee font. And then we'll choose an interesting, we'll grow to bottom right here for the effect. Get this to the size we want, drag it over to the proper location, and then add another caption so that we can make it a different size. And you could use a different font, but for this case we will use the same font and have it enter 1 second later with a different effect on this one, using the typewriter effect. We'll size that one down a little and drag into its position. And then we're going to add a squiggly underline here from the shapes to provide a little more visual interest, and choose its color and have it enter on 3 and exit after 4. We'll have it come into the left. And adjust its size, drag it into position here. Adjust the size a little more. And then to make this simpler, we're going to copy this and go to frame 8 and then paste it. This allows us to maintain various attributes instead of having to enter them again, things like effects and fonts and sizing, and then we can just change our text to be what we want there. I'm going to add a URL here. change the spacing here just to make it a little more visually interesting. And then we're going to add a logo. Choose from, we offer stock images, or you can upload your own. In this case, we are choosing from an uploaded generic logo that we have in our uploads, and then we're going to drag that into position here in the upper right hand corner. And we're going to select some music. So we'll do a little search for the piano music that we wanted. And then we're going to preview our video. We like what we see, so we're going to publish. And it shows you how many credits you need. Then we can view our final product.